Hello dear friend, welcome to ILA kitchen. We are going to make mincemeat bowl. It's an Iranian food and very delicious. Let's go to show you how can I make this nice food. Be with us. For this food we need 250 gram of mincemeat. It's up to you, is lamb or beef or any type of meat. Oil and any type of herb. I use a basil, dry basil, and 3 tomato chopped, and I use passata, tomato passata, or you can use pure tomato, 2 big size onion, 2 medium size potato, and salt, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a spoon of cumin seed, and half a spoon of curry, middle curry.
Okay, dear friends, this is a food called mincemeat bowl. In the other language is Ghel Gheli or balbali. And this is the juice. You can, have it. It's so nice and soft. You can have it with bread, pita bread, or any sort of brown bread. is healthy. And thank you so much for being with us, and have a lovely rest of the day. Goodbye.